Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Harold, aka Natoy. And I'm really excited about today's video. Not only are we going to unbox something awesome, but I've got something or a little announcement to share with you all. I am planning to start with moto vlogging. And yes, you heard that right. I'll be taking you on a two-wheel adventures, sharing rides, gear tips, and so much more. But before we proceed, let's start with this unboxing. Yeah, let's go! And honestly, this one is extra special because definitely I'll be using this in my upcoming moto vlogs. So, yep, come on. Let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Yep, look at that. Everything is so neatly packed. First impressions? Yep. So, we've got here an extra visor. I think this is the clear one. Yep, clear visor. And so we also have here on Gille extra spoiler. Yep, look at this. Ride with the wind. Oh, cool, right? Yes, look at this. It has a Gille helmet cover. Yes, it's pretty cool, right? Let's try and open it. Oh, wow. Look at the design. This is the matte black Gille Circuit 843 helmet. The Gille Circuit 843 matte black helmet is a full-face motorcycle helmet that combines safety, functionality, and style, making it a popular choice among riders. So it also has these key features. We have a dual visor system, and it is equipped with a clear main visor and an integrated sun visor. This helmet allows riders to adapt to varying light conditions without needing additional eyewear. Also, an aerodynamic design. The helmet's streamlined shape reduced wind resistance, enhancing stability and comfort during rides. And with this matte black finish, the sleek matte black color offers a modern and stylish appearance, appealing to riders seeking a minimalist aesthetic. Also, comfortable interior design with quality padding. The helmet ensures a snug and comfortable fit suitable for daily use. This also have this durable shell. Constructed with robust materials, it provides reliable protection for riders, meeting safety standards for motorcycle helmets. So first impressions of the product? Yeah, I think it's going to be a game changer for my upcoming moto vlogs. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss my first ride. Thanks for hanging out with me, and see you in the next one. Ride safe and stay awesome. Goodbye.